guys, it's Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. So recently just got back from vacation, but before I unpack, I want to show you guys that's everything that's inside my carry-on bag and my must-have travel essentials. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any future videos. It's definitely travel season right now, so hopefully these tips will help you guys in your traveling. Without any further ado, let's get started. So when I travel, I don't like carrying a big tote bag or a big purse. I like to carry a backpack. So this is an old backpack that I've had for about 4 or 5 years now, and I've been traveling it every year, and I just love it so much. It's super light and easy to carry and lift, and you're not just using just one strap, you're using two, so it's good for your back. And I just love everything about this, and this is an old PUMA backpack. This actually used to be my son's, and he no longer was using it, so I decided to use it myself. Also, when you're selecting your carry-on bag, make sure it's a dark color. Remember, your carry-on bag is either going to be going up in the overhead compartment or on the ground near your feet, and it's going to get dirty right away. So having a darker color will show less scuffs and wear and tear. I love that this backpack has different compartments so I can organize my stuff better, and I can use this as a backpack, especially since I know I'm either going to be pushing a double stroller or holding the girl's hands. And I always carry an empty water bottle with me so I can fill it up right before we get on the plane. And when they give us drinks on the airplane, I like to put the drinks right in here to prevent anything from spilling. And I got this cute little llama tag from the Dollar Tree, and right behind it you can put your information here, which I do, but I just flipped it over because I didn't want to show that to everyone. But you can put your name and your phone number in case you lose your carry-on bag. So we're going to start with the biggest pocket first, and in here I have some extra clothing, a change of clothing just in case something gets spilled on me or if my luggage gets lost. Better safe than sorry. I have a complete outfit in here. I have some leggings, some socks and underwear, and a shirt. And this is actually an old curtain bag that I used to have a long time ago, and I just wanted to reuse the bag. So if you guys ever think of throwing this away, this is one way to reuse it. Next I have a sweater. Planes tend to be a bit chilly, so it's always good to have a sweater just in case it gets a little cold, or if you're going somewhere from hot to cold, it's good to have a sweater to keep you warm. And then in this organizer here, I have a lot of my chargers and my headphones. I'm going to show you guys everything that I have in here. In my travel organizer, I have some headphones. Headphones are a must. Airplanes usually have movies, shows, and games available on their flights, so I usually watch a movie the whole time, and it makes the flight so much more enjoyable. Also, make sure your headphones have the standard jack adapter, since most planes only have that jack available. My phone charger is also a must. If you know me, my phone is always dying, and I always need to charge my phone, so I definitely need this out on me at all times. And also, just in case you miss your flight or your flight gets canceled, you definitely need your phone on to tell your loved ones. And these are actually double the price at the airport, so don't forget your phone chargers. Another charger that I bring is my travel external battery, which is my backup in case there are no outlets around, so I use this to charge my phone, and I bring this everywhere with me. And last, in case I want to do any vlogging or if I want to do any YouTube videos while I'm on vacation, I have my microphone right over here, and I also have my selfie stick that I use for my vlogs and my videos. And that is everything that I carry in this big pocket over here. Normally I do also carry my laptop with me, but it's currently getting fixed right now, so I did not carry that on my recent vacation. So in the next pocket I have a lot more other stuff, and in here I have some snacks. Snacks is also a must for me. I'm always hungry, and some places don't offer a lot of food, and the food on the plane is super expensive, so I always go prepared. I also bring a notebook just to write some notes, and you never know when inspiration is gonna strike. So a notebook is always on me. And I also have my little traveling toothbrush kit here. It comes with a toothbrush, some toothpaste, and a placard. And I actually got this at the Dollar Tree just for $1, and it's perfect. I also carry my sunglasses in my carry-on bag just in case it's sunny outside and I don't want them to get damaged in the luggage. And then I also have another travel organizer right over here, and in here I carry some Kleenex. And I got this little travel size Kleenex from the Dollar Tree, and it's just perfect. It comes in a pack of 3. I also carry my Burt's Bees facial wipes. I definitely use this after I'm done with the airplane. Right before I get off the airplane, I like to wipe my face down and wipe the kids' face, so this is just perfect as well. I also bring disinfectant wipes. Planes have so many germs in them, so as soon as they get on the plane, I like to clean up our space a bit by wiping down the chair arms and trays to prevent any transmissions of germs. And that is everything that I have in this travel organizer. I love putting everything in pouches instead of letting it go crazy all in the bottom of my backpack. It always drives me crazy when I'm trying to find something in here. So I started using these organizers the last couple of vacations that we had, and they are a lifesaver, and I know where everything is at when I need to find it. And then inside here I have my toiletry bag. And inside my toiletry bag I have my chapstick that I use. I use the Burt's Bees. And then I also use this lip smacker, Dr. Pepper. This has been my favorite since I was in high school. I also carry some hand lotion. My skin gets super dry on the airplane, so I always bring this with me. Hand sanitizer, hand sanitizer, hand sanitizer. I cannot stress it enough, you guys. There's so much germs on the airplane, and I don't want to get sick. I don't want the kids to get sick. So this is definitely a must. Do not forget your hand sanitizer, you guys. And last in my toiletry bag, I do bring some facial cream. My skin gets super dry in the airplane because of the altitude, so this definitely keeps my face stay hydrated at all times. And that is everything that I have in this big pocket. And then in this last pocket, I have some travel documents that I carry. And here I have the kids' birth certificates and our itineraries and flight information. I do have a lot of that stuff already in my phone, but just in case if I need this on hand, I do have it just in case. And I always put it in this front pocket so I can easily get to it. And the last thing that I have in this pocket is another small travel organizer. In here I have some pens. You just never know when you need to write something down or if they need you to sign something off. So I have this just in case. And I have some hair ties as well. The girls are constantly losing their hair ties and they either want me to put their hair up or I need it. So this is always with me. And gum. Gum is definitely another must-have, you guys. Our ears are always popping, especially when we're landing. And the kids get really upset about it because their ears are popping. So this definitely helps with that. So that is everything that I carry on my carry-on bag. I do carry my wallet and my phone with me, but that goes in my crossbody bag, which is always in front of me. But you guys, I've been to so many places with this backpack, and I just love it. It's so comfortable and easy to use, especially if you're a mommy on a go. A backpack goes a long way, so definitely consider carrying a backpack and using it as your carry-on bag. Alright you guys, that is everything that I carry in my carry-on bag. I hope this video was super helpful for you guys. Also, everything that I mentioned in my carry-on bag, I'm going to put the links down in the description below, just in case you guys want to check them out online. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye you guys!